Love guests design their ultimate wedding dresses. Hi guys, and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, your favorite YouTube channel. The ladies of the Love Pad gave us an exclusive sneak peek into their wedding dress designs for their big day. If there is one moment we know the ladies of the Love Pad have gone over in their minds, it's the night before the ultimate love finale. Aunty got the lovely ladies to spend some time crafting their dream wedding dress, and wow, did they not come up with some true masterpieces. From elaborate designs to clean lines, it was a marvel to behold what they came up with. But don't take our word for it. Take a look at their creations yourself. Rosie, first to showcase her design, Rosie chose a dress that would firstly accentuate her curves and show off her figure, and as a creative cherry on top, as well as a befitting ode to her name, she also added ornamental roses to the train of her dress. Chris chose to take the less is more approach with a minimalist design. While simple in nature, her dress worked perfectly with her physique and her easygoing nature. Bolanle, with her bold and big personality, it came as no surprise that Bolanle's dress was just as electric. Her creation was unmissable with Ankara accents and multiple accents of color to make it pop. We just know she'll be the center of attention on her big day. Sylvia, what fun is making your own wedding dress if you don't unleash your full creativity? And that's exactly what Sylvia did. For her garment, she chose to go with a sleeveless dress that was largely minimalist but had the right amount of flair, with a delicate fishtail design at the end. Pure mastery. Lastly, Teresa came through with a heavenly all-white dress that had no shortage of lace, was body-hugging, and even a touch of pearls for the extra drop of style. Plus, to break the mold, Teresa's dress did without a veil. Guys, whose gown or whose wedding dress do you think was the most beautiful? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you're a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get notification when a new story drops.